All right, so we're going to learn how to do an overlap edit. So I have two clips here that are currently just a jump cut, and we're going to learn how to make those into an overlap edit or a flex edit. So here's the jump cut.
Wait? You can't wait, you'll be asleep?
One more time.
Wait? You can't wait, you'll be asleep?
It's good. It's nice. It's okay. But we're gonna make it a little bit better. So we're gonna take those both clips, select them, and extract the audio. I want to place a placeholder in between those two clips. Then I want to bring the second clip on top of the placeholder. And here you'll see that the second part of the clip and its matching audio are on the same area. Then we're going to take the first clip, bring it into the second area, if that makes sense. And we're going to cut off the first part of the top clip. It's a lot of words. We're going to clip that to delete the placeholder and bring it down, and now it's going to overlap.
You guys. Wait? You can't wait, you'll be asleep?
It's hard to see. We're going to do it again.
Wait? You can't wait, you'll be asleep?
You can even do it a little bit more. It doesn't always work when you do a little bit longer. You want to clip off the first part of the second section. Then like to bring it down to the same level. So you see the lines are overlapped.
Wait? You can't wait, you'll be asleep?
So it kind of works. Doesn't always.
Make everybody wait? You can't wait, you'll be asleep?
So the audio picks up earlier than the video clip does.
Need to be in a spot that has trees. Like, I literally, which personally I love. Like, there's like orange here, like the blemishes. Hopefully they're not spider eggs.